What is going on, my people? So, welcome to the new week. Welcome to the weekend. Hopefully your week was not as bad as some other people's, but hopefully you had a good week. And we're going to do some chicken tacos tonight. Let's get this week started. Let's go. I'm going to kind of give you guys a breakdown of how it goes down. So I got a couple pounds of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs in there. I partially cooked them about halfway because it's easier to cut and dice them into small pieces when it's halfway cooked and not just plain raw. So got that. We're gonna do some lime rice. So I got 3 cups rice, 4 cups of liquid, some cilantro, some lime juice freshly squeezed there. So we will get this guy going. Boom. And we hit the rice button and walk away. So there's that, and then we have some fresh pico going on there. We just cut up the chicken. And the other good thing is if you cook it about 3/4 of the way through like I did, the good thing is you cook a lot of the fat out of it, so when you pull the big pieces out to dice it up, you're able to drain all the fat out of it. So we're gonna finish this up, heat this back up real quick, and then we'll throw our sauce in there, and then we let it saute in here for quite a bit. That way it gets like that crispy, crunchy edge to it before we serve it. And then once we get that done in about 15 minutes, rice will be done and we're ready to dish these bad boys up. Alright guys, so here's the finished product on Friday night. You know, the new week, the new Friday. Look at that little taco right there action. So we have got dinner tonight. Tacos, chicken tacos are $3.71 a person. And there'll be a little bit left over, so we'll get lunch or something out tomorrow. Did want to say, we did find new tortillas that are a little bit cheaper. They're $3 a package. Sorry. And they are gluten-free, and they seem to be working out really well, and you get 14 of them in a package instead of like 5 or 6 that we were getting before. So they kind of come raw looking, and then you got to heat them up in the pan for a couple minutes actually to get them to turn out. But that's it. So $3.71 person, tacos, and it's not Tuesday. See you tomorrow. Welcome to the freaking weekend. We are doing some chicken bacon ranch. Right there. Chicken bacon ranch, sweet tater bake. So, I think we've had this before, but it's been a long time. So, here's what you got going on. You got some sweet potatoes down there, got some green beans, got some onions, and a package of bacon. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in the oven, 425 for about 10 minutes. Kind of get it hot and steaming and kind of somewhat cooking. And then you're going to put chicken right on top of this. You're going to put chicken on here all the way across, and you put it in the oven for about 40 minutes, and you pull it out, and then you drizzle ranch over the top of it, and then you serve, and then you eat it. Oh yeah. All right, people. So I cooked it for about 10-12 minutes. Kind of got it sizzling. I got that bacon kind of draining out a little bit. Give some liquid in the pan. So put the chicken on there, put the thyme on there, salt and peppered everything. Did just realize though, Christine was telling me that this is supposed to be with skinned chicken, so we only have boneless. So it's probably going to cook a little bit faster. Yeah, look at that. But still going to taste the same. So basically it goes in the oven now just like this, 425, probably about a half an hour till chicken's done, and then eat. All right, gravy trains, it is done. So that's what it looks like. All dialed in there and all baked and impressed. So kind of got a plate over here. Got a plate right here. That's what we got going for a done deal. And then it's optional to go ahead and put this Tresemmé organic creamy ranch dressing. You kind of just drizzle it over the top of it. Makes it your chicken bacon ranch. That's what's for dinner on Saturday night. Later. What's going on, people? So we are back to business here. So happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to you guys. If you see outside here, it's sunny. It's our first 68-degree day and sunny. 72 in the car, there you go. So we're going with an old school, oldie but goodie beef stroganoff. So I got the beef all cut and browned up. Got the water going down for the pasta. Sweating out the mushrooms. And then we're gonna go with onion. And all you garlic people rejoiced. Oh yeah, I'm gonna throw some garlic, onion, a little chicken stock, and then we're gonna sweat it out a little bit, render it down. And then we put in our homemade sour cream that I made, and then we call it done. So let's get everybody in the pool here, get them all cooked up, sweat it down, then we'll dish up. All right, kids, we got the sauce down. All we gotta do is bring that to a real small boil real quick. and then we'll add the meat back to it to heat the meat back up, and then the meat and the sauce will be done. Got our pasta almost done. Got some green beans on the side. So let's get everybody all dolled up here and on one plate. So that's what it looks like, all low and slow and done. Look at that. Didn't come out as thick. The sauce for some reason wasn't as thick this time, but it still tastes the same. So that's what's for dinner on Sunday night. For the everyday low price of $4.35 per person. And there's definitely a full meal tonight, and probably lunches for everybody tomorrow, or at least for me and Christine. So it's less than that if you divide it out with tomorrow. So that's what's for dinner Sunday. Get to work. We'll see you later. Welcome to the new week. Welcome to the Monday blues. So we are having leftovers tonight, and we got two leftovers. We got the chicken bacon ranch, and we got the beef stroganoff. So the kids are eating stroganoff, we're eating chicken bacon ranch. So the cost I gave you guys a couple days ago was for the 5 of us. Well, you could crank that up to 7 of us because we got 7 dinners out of it. So this is what we got going on tonight.
Free tonight.
Dinners, yeah, you could say dinner's free tonight. So that's leftover chicken bacon ranch with a little bit of broccoli on the side or whatever. And that's what we're going with. We'll see you on Taco Tuesday. What's going on, peoples? Happy Taco Tuesday. So we were like rebels tonight. Actually, the wife was, and she was like, I don't need a recipe. I can do this all on my own. So we're going with beef stew in the pot here, and none of that was by recipe. It was all off the old melon. So, that's that. So we got a little bit of our bread that we're toasting up here in the pan. But beef stew, so you got the beef meat, potatoes, carrots, celery, onions, peas, a little bit of spices we threw in there, and then that's pretty much it. So we are going to see how that goes.
On Tuesday.
On Tuesday. So let's get this dished up and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so here is Tuesday night's dinner. Have no idea on the cost. I will link that right here. And then we'll go from there. So that's Tuesday night's dinner, guys. Have a good week. Later. What's going on, people? It's the end of the vlog week, and we've got some good looking chicken. What do we got?
Enchiladas.
We have got Instant Pot 5 ingredient enchilada chicken. Real food, whole life.
I like the vlog.
And we totally spaced the prep, so you get the dinner that's completed.
In classic me style.
So we got chicken and looks like a bunch of sauce and onions in there.
Saute some onions and olive oil, and you
Whoop!
you stir the tomato sauce in there with the chicken, and then you let it cook for a little bit, and then
Bada boom, bada bang. So that's what we got there. That
the kids
a little
eat it.
tortilla on the side and some green beans to finish it off. So that is what's for dinner on Thursday night. It's later. What's going on, my peoples? So I just looked at the last video and it was Thursday night, the end of the week before. That was the last time I vlogged. Today is now Monday. We've had a few sick days in here. The entire family has been wiped out. So this will be a 2-for-1. We'll get 2 weeks or a week and a half on the one vlog. So I figured I'd pick up the camera and vlog tonight's dinner in kind of a halfway style here. So we are gonna go with some spaghetti tonight. So we're going with the ground turkey. Got our fire roasted, our paste, our 2 mixes, and then our standard fellas in the pool here. We got the mushrooms, the onions, and a little smidge of garlic. And this week we're gonna put some fresh basil in there. So we will get all this up in the thing. We'll cook it for a little bit, let it saute, then we'll throw some pasta down, and then I'll catch you here in a little bit. Shazam, fellas and ladies and gents. So we got our spaghetti is all done. It's been sauteing for a good simmering for about a good 45 minutes. Beans are done, pasta's done. Frying pan is out because I sliced off a couple pieces of our nice looking delicious bread there, and then I toast them up in the pan so they're kind of like hard and crispy like garlic bread. So then shazam, that's what you get for a light fare tonight. We're all going to go with a little bit of light dinner because we're not feeling well. We don't want to overeat. So that is what we've got for Monday night's dinner. See you tomorrow, guys. What's going on, people? Welcome to Tuesday. It's the dinnering hour. It's the dinner time blues, and it's not tacos. We are having the best dinner yet. Leftover spaghetti. Oh yeah. So it's not real fancy tonight, guys. Pretty much is what it is. You take bowl A and you mix it with bowl B. You heat it and then you eat it. Pretty simple tonight. So that's what's for dinner here on Tuesday night. Leftovers. See you tomorrow. What's going on, peoples? Happy Thursdays. Happy end of the work week for you 410ers out there. So let me tell you a little story. Didn't have dinner vlog last night, and that was due to we lost power. We were out of power all night. So really wasn't the good lighting for vlogging. So didn't get last night's dinner. But tonight's dinner, orange chicken and broccoli, baby. So we got the chicken going down. Getting close to getting ready to put the secret sauce in. Got the secret sauce all made up. I usually make 2 batches of it because I use 2 pans. Because we usually double the chicken, so I just dump one in each, and that's, you know, like tonight's dinner and then tomorrow night's dinner kind of thing. So we got that down. We got rice down. And then we'll probably throw some broccoli down on top of all that because you know it is orange chicken and broccoli. So that's what's for dinner Thursday. Look at that, orange chicken and broccoli. That's looking sharp, kid.
Way better than lights out last night.
Hey, you sound sick.
I've been so sick, you guys.
I know, right? So that is what's for dinner on Thursday night. Wait.
Oh,
Get it all dialed in there.
Oh.
There we go. Now we're good to go. Thursday night's dinner, orange chicken and rice. There you go.
Yum.
All right, guys, so that wraps up a long sickness week, really. 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks on it. So if you guys liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Hit the little bell for notifications. Hit the subscribe button for us.
We'll be back, guys.
We'll be back to our normal functions and shenanigans next week. Later.